welcome to day 16. One of our last videos. We are going to be wrapping up the series in a couple of days. We're super excited to bring you this box right here.
Brought to you by the letter R. No, I don't know. Rambler?
Yeah, Rambler. Letter R.
Okay, so I'm hoping I get a fun box because I've opened like 3 camera bags, which are nice and we need them, but I want to have like a bunch of loot, like Kerrigan gets to open.
Oh yeah.
So let's see what we can find in this box. And we still have a mystery box.
Yes, we are still, that is going to wrap up our series, that mystery box.
Well, except for the things that
aren't here yet.
That'll be like super mystery because it'll be a few weeks before we get those things.
This is it. Just a really long package.
That's it. That's all's in the box. Oh, here we go. Yay! I got a fun box. Lots of stuff. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so we have a duo charger. We can charge 2 camera batteries at a time, which is very nice because you're always at a premium trying to get a battery to be charged for you. We have a mic flag. You might have seen we have one of these on one of our other microphones that has a WBOS symbol on it. It's like the news, you know how the news have their symbols on their mics? This is what they put them on, is a mic flag. So we'll be getting some WBOS stickers done up to put on this one as well. We actually we got 2 chargers.
Woo.
So that we can fast charge our stuff. We have a microphone hand grip here. This is great. You can actually take that shock mount I showed you earlier and put it on here. So you just have the microphone on your hand grip so you can, get it in close if you're right off camera, or if you're just trying to get audio of like, say, a stream bubbling or something, you could use this to hold the mic. So that's what this hand grip is for. We have, oh my goodness.
Oh God.
We have a whole, let me get this undone. We have a whole bunch of stuff here. So Kerrigan's taking inventory as we go because we have to make sure we get everything so that we can pay the bill and know that we actually got everything. So there's a lot of inventory to do. All right, I have a micro SD. I think that goes with our thing that we're not talking about yet.
Yeah, the mystery box.
The mystery box. Which means we're going to have to, yeah, I'll talk about that in a minute. We have 2
plates.
Tripod mounting plates to mount cameras to the tripod. For some reason, these tend to disappear, and then you can't put the camera on a tripod, which is not helpful. So I bought a couple extras so that hopefully that won't happen. I also got us some little windscreens. Foam windscreens. These go on the lapels so that you don't get the wind shear on your lapel mics when they're on you. And there were 3 of those.
Yes.
And I also got us. This is so
Are
cute.
they the clips?
I have 1, 2,
6,
3, 4, 5, 6 little clips. These are to clip the microphones to your clothes so that they stay in place. And then these are really cute. These are, they call them fuzzy windbusters. They also have the nickname of dead cat, as you know when you're in my program. They're little fuzzy. These are the ones you would use outside.
Yes.
On your lapels. So that would be really nice for us to actually be able to do that because we've had some issues with wind noise with those. So we have those as well. Then we have 4 extra batteries for our new cameras.
Yay.
So that we can keep filming. That's one thing that's, these new cameras are awesome and they do really great things, but because they're 4K, they use a lot more energy, so the batteries don't last as long. So we need to have extra batteries so that when we're filming long events or whatever, we can have that. We also have 4 more pairs of headphones. So we have 10 total new pairs of headphones for our cameras and for when we're editing on the computers. These are something that are always in demand, and this past year, we really did have a problem with not having enough sets when people were editing and trying to film and all that at the same time. We were short on headphones, so that's going to be great. Okay, this We're using one of these right now, actually.
Oh, yes.
This is a Sennheiser. I think that's how you say it.
Yeah. Short.
Shotgun microphone. That's its name. There it is. Great audio. Industry standard. They use these on real movie sets. They last very well. They're a fantastic product, and this way, more than one camera can have a good mic on it. So that again, our groups are not waiting and fighting over one microphone. Now we have two. That helps us out a great deal. So that's our new shotgun microphone. Then we have our, this is a handheld microphone as part of that wireless mic kit. This is the one that we would put that flag on, like you see when Joshua would run around and do teacher tidbits. That's what he's holding, is a mic just like this. So that's part of that kit. And also part of that kit is another wireless system. This also includes the wireless pack that goes on the transmitter that goes on the bottom of the handheld so that it can talk to the receiver on the camera.
So that we can bring you teacher tidbits forever.
Forever and ever. And we also have a professional windshield, also known as a dead cat, to go on the shotgun microphone when it's outside. That was a great box I got to open finally. Got to open a big box.
You got a lot of stuff.
So it looks like we're down to one box tomorrow for Kerrigan to open for you.
Before we unbox our
Mystery.
big ticket item.
Big ticket item. So see you tomorrow.